Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to use the AI eye contact correction tool using vid.io. So this is great if you're filming yourself or maybe another person and they don't exactly maintain perfect eye contact with the camera. This is a great tool to help fix that problem. So what this does is it will, for example, in this video, you can see the eyes of this person isn't looking directly at the camera. And what the AI will do is it will make it so that the eyes are pointed directly at the camera at all times. And this just makes your videos a little bit more engaging and helps retain more viewers. So to get started, you can select your video in the timeline and it should change the window here at the left side of your screen. You can also click on the AI tools portion and see the eye contact option there as well. So simply click on the slider and it will analyze the video. And as you can see, her eyes are now directly pointed at the camera. And it will remain this way for the entirety of the video. So it's just a really nice fix and it only takes a few seconds and it just makes your videos a lot more engaging with just a little bit of effort. So that's going to be it for this video. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.